This place is not working trying to get us together, but you can't solve the problems.
Maybe Jimmy's good.
Go change this is important. Hands. No hands. That means they touch your shoe.
Sorry, Mom.
Yeah, sure. Hi, Mrs. Furman. Did my letters of reference come in?
They're all excellent, very complimentary, but he would not commit to a job title or an increase.
But I'm sure.
The state is inflexible on this. Your income must meet minimum requirements.
Well, this place is awful for him.
There are not a lot of healthcare options.
Tell you, I think you.
My friend, my brother is not a statistic. He needs a permanent home with me.
That's not for you. So I'm looking at